Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get.
What's up, warriors? Welcome back to another video. Okay, so today, y'all, we about to redo my bedroom. Not really redo it, but just refresh it. A couple of months ago, whatever, maybe like 2 months ago, I rearranged it and I changed the position of my bed, which I have a large king size bed and my bedroom is pretty small. There's only really one real way to have the bed, but because need of a change, I decided to move the bed. But now I am tired of the way it's looking and I wanted to go back to the original way, really because I seen an old video and I was like, dang, I actually like my room that way. So let me show y'all how it look now. Excuse the kid. Excuse the kid. So yeah, so it used to be faced on this wall and now it's over here. And that was blocking the windows. It is not real, like, it don't make sense. Like, it's blocking the windows. I can't get good lighting from this room no more because that's like that. So I'm just gonna move the bed pretty much there and that's it. And then we're gonna move the TV back over here, put this mirror back over there in the middle of the two windows and then I can bring my other chair that matches that one back in here and put it on my side of the bed and we can both, it's more functional because right now it's not functional. So y'all, yeah, so don't judge the way my room is looking right now. I know it's a mess. I literally just popped out of bed, threw on some filming clothes because, you know, I had to get cute for the camera, y'all. Because y'all saw them commercials when y'all clicked on this video. Yo, girl got ass now. I can't be filming any kind of way no more, okay? I have to try to put some gloss on, earrings, you know. But don't judge the way my room look. Y'all already know who to judge. Yes, her. What happens to that in a minute? So yeah, we're about to move the stuff around. So if you're interested in this type of content, please make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you are not already a part of the life over here. Man, why you waiting? Okay, anyways, yeah, we're finna go ahead and just jump straight into the video. So yeah, welcome to all my new people that's coming over, that's new to my channel, and thank you for coming back to all of my OGs that's been a part of the Warren gang for a minute now. So without further ado, let's pop right into the video. All right, so the only difference, the only thing about the new way of moving it is that I'm gonna have less moving room as far as this go, and the kids like to come in here and play the VR and set their boundaries and be right here and excuse my pants, whatever. But yeah, so now it's gonna be less space, but y'all gonna see that in a minute. But let me start tidying up and getting up the stuff that does not belong, putting everything where it has a home.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go we can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and just season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 sounding like you're wasting every time. You know like me, last season. Shine bright as last season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, jam.
That's how it's done, so. Exactly, because boys, man, boys. You said he got a mustache growing.
No, don't you
I said he ain't got no more mustache than Quincy got.
Don't you see that? Come on now.
You got a mustache growing, so you shouldn't be struggling. Look at you.
No, come on.
So now I would have never.
Exactly.
Ain't that the truth? Manhandling, no.
What you mean?
Come on. Come on, no. You gotta go where I'm at. So we're gonna pull it away from the wall. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Aw, somebody something's gonna hole in your head.
Woo! Well, why wouldn't you help?
I'm
you
just
gonna
sorry.
take the knife, something to fall on your head, and you let it happen?
It was.
10 seconds later, it was like, oh, something shouldn't fall on your head. Just know he's not the one to think he's gonna rescue you.
All right.
Woo! Nah, this is big heavy. Okay. Come in here, Vegas. Vegas Lee, get out. Get out.
What are you doing in here?
Vegas Lee. Vegas Lee, come on, get out. Come on, boy. Go out there with Quincy. Okay. Ready? Dang, big strong still. Push it again. Okay. Watch out. Is it in center? Watch out for the fingers. Hold on, baby. Stop,
Maybe that's all right. Just squeeze a little bit.
You gotta squeeze back towards you a little bit. Hold up.
Why you keep popping in here, baby?
Just gotta push towards your little hat.
Oh, your dog is...
Hey! What are you doing? Why are you trying to crawl under the bed? Get out of my room. Come on. You acting like a baster now. Acting like you looking for your pipe. You trying to find your pipe? You left it in here? Go. Get.
He just goes to the bathroom.
He is so hard. That's one hard-headed child.
Hey, he got in here.
Face. Get. He's like, he got bigger already, didn't he? Vegas Lee, get out my room.
That's one of the 3 balls.
Stop when you get stuck under there. Get out.
Yeah.
Go. Get. She can't save you.
He was doing the same thing when Salah tried to abuse him. He be coming to me. And I was like,
Y'all see how he gonna try? How he gonna try to run us tonight? Like
It's not you.
Okay, so let's put the matches. Me and you, Lorenzo. Let's put these back. We put him back first. And this right here.
So long, my dear friend. Yeah, yeah. We did our best until the very end. But goodbye. So long, my dear love.
Knock me on it. They're gonna get switched on me.
Y'all people need some help. Hold on. Vegas, you see, God, y'all. Vegas said he helping. Act like you doing something. Okay, go ahead. Slide on the. I was under there. Vegas, thank you, Vegas. Yay! Vegas did it. Vegas did it. Yay!
yeah, fight on everybody.
Vegas did it. Good job. Good job, Vegas. Get out. Get out. I'm about to whoop. Let me call Daddy. He is not listening to me.
Call daddy on.
Dang, you finna break his back, bro. Chill. Get your big heavy duty ass off my bed, bro.
He probably pooped last day. He probably pooped last night.
Just walk out the room so he can follow you. Now shut my door. He gets cut out.
You always posting up pictures, trying.
He's like, ow, ow, ow. But it's not the case. And then it makes more sense.
Y'all, all I'm trying to do is put my room together. Why I gotta have all these interactions? What? All I'm trying to do for y'all is record a good, decent video. What's going on? Why you acting like you scared of your own dog?
You done took some of daddy's clothes out, right?
Go get it.
We're gonna get them for sure.
Took a bag. Get him.
Get my tummy
Come on,
box.
He got it with him?
Where's it at? Oh, it's over there. It's over there.
Hurry
Over
and
there.
get it. Girl look like a regular white t-shirt. She'd be so dramatic. Oh, bring it. Bring it, but he grab it out your hand. Slow skis.
It got a little stuff on it.
Oh. That's all right. Just a little bit of boo-boo.
Pick up all that extra.
Oh, I like how this mirror is like leaned up against the wall. Okay. Let's get back to the program. All right, come on.
Pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working. Soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
Get your stanky nose off my clean
Oh
mirror.
yeah, Vegas is scared of paper towels.
Is it?
Yeah. You wait until his face and he'll start running for some reason. I don't know why.
Vegas. Vegas.
No,
You be just lying on the boy.
no,
I knew you was lying. Okay, all the chaos is done. We got the mirror back where it was originally, the bed back where it was originally. Now we gotta just move this kid out this room and then move the TV back over here. Try to just leave it over there.
Oh, he did go here.
Just because you don't want to get off the game, partner. So anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna move my chair back over here, and I got a vacuum, and you know, this is how it's looking. This is a big bed. This room is so little, y'all. It's really tiny. Tiny. I'm grateful. It's not tiny, but it's just not. It's not big. I mean, you know. All right, let's make the bed real quick. Get the sheets. Oh my God, we gotta put this back on there. We gotta put the
Yeah, you know
Pizza.
slide it off some more.
Why do you always keep this on your bed? Like you-
Vegas, move.
Huh?
Yeah. Good
Who is
information.
that? Come on, Mia. Time to out.
Come on, move, Vegas. What you doing?
Oh my God, shut up!
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh my God, shut up! Don't put God's name in vain. Y'all be crazy, y'all. I'm about to get my holy
You're
oil.
like, is that your mom?
I'm about to get my holy oil.
Nah, that's his mom. What are we doing now?
Okay, snap.
I learned my right from wrong on the song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones.
No cap, y'all. He is for real.
No, he was talking about you.
When he said your son.
No. Quincy
said your
Quinn.
son.
Jay would never talk to me personally like that. That's Quincy, so.
I think we're talking about you.
Nah,
You a kid, so he talking about
Quincy, he most definitely thought about you, bro.
As ugly as your mama made me.
Now people want to do dances. Now people want to do dances. Nah.
Oh, the dribble. That one, Quincy, yes.
Oh, come on. Help me move this thing down.
He said, get your mom on the mic, bro.
I'm right here, kid.
Hey, they like, get your mom on the mic, kid.
gon' see the hate. People
I want to
They gonna follow my new
Nah.
I'm not fighting you.
You would have been right there on my side.
All your gun talk, I impressed. My 45 seem real trash.
I got the coolest hat.
Cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers as the darkness in me lingers. Was praying for possibilities, lately got the best of me, yeah. You got the best of me, embracing our insecurities. Better to cry and set us free, yeah. Oh no, we're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words, so apologize.
Alright you guys, I am done. My room is back to normal and I am loving it like this, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm going to go ahead and pop an overview of how the room looks now, and yeah, so make sure you stay tuned for the next upcoming uploads. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and do not forget to hit that bell notification button so you do not miss a beat with the Qweenjwarren blog.
The thought of us sweeter. Nothing left but all our pictures. Was praying for possibilities. Lately you got the best of me.